Pero, today is my birthday. Ayoko sanang mag-work, pero or it's the situation in life. But I feel like I avoid people now. I don't want to go out. I don't have to socialize so much. And I don't want to make friends. That's why I'm happy about having business at home. Ito yung ginawa ni Andrew. Ni Lucas na snow. Ay, nahulog. Sorry, Lucas. Okay. Alright, my friends. We're back sa aming tinda-tindahanan. Ang hirap kumilos ng may suot na malaking jacket. So, wala naman tayong choice. Magpapak pa din tayo, friends. Welcome back sa Mezzy Life. Nandito tayo sa aming tinda-tindahanan with the snow background for today. Kanina, nagpack na si Mr. Ayan. Madami na siyang napack actually. Pero, itutuloy ko ang pagpapak. Ang dami. Masaya naman. Siyempre, masaya tayo na madami tayong na pa-order. Pero, today is my birthday. Ayoko sanang mag-work, pero hindi naman, pag pumasok ang order, kailangan natin yan i-pack nun. So yun, nakapag-pack na si Mister, habang kanina ay nag-homeschool kami, and naglaro ng snow yung mga bata. Mamaya maglalaro pa din sila. Pero, sabi ko nga, today is my birthday, so wala akong balak mag-work kundi mag-pack lang ng orders, which is konti na lang din naman, kasi nga ay nag-pack na si Mister. Madami pa din actually, mga 20 na orders pa siguro itong ipapack ko, so medyo madami rin pala. Pero, kasi alam nyo, we've been very busy in the last 2 months na, mula pa nung Pasko, hindi nga ako masyado nakakapag-vlog, diba? Talagang very busy. Pero medyo nag-i-slow down na ulit. Bumababa na ulit yung mga benta. Kumbaga, hindi na peak season kasi yung 4th quarter, diba? So ngayon, medyo pababa na ulit. So makakabuelo na ako ulit ng pagbablog maybe. And yung ibang gawain para sa business. Talagang more on packing lang kami nitong mga nakaraan. Okay, so I have 15 orders na natitira dito sa eBay na ipapak ko. 2 Walmart. Bakit naiwan ito? Usually pinapak na ni Mr. ang mga Walmart eh. Tapos meron tayong 4 na Poshmark, 3 Mercari. So nasa 20 plus na talaga. 5 pala. 5 Poshmark at 3 Mercari. So madami po tayong ipapak. And mamadaliin ko ng konti. Pack lang talaga and then papasok na ako. I don't know kung anong gagawin namin. Pero si Mr. kinukulit niya ako kanina. Ano bang gusto mong gawin sa birthday mo? Sabi ko, wag na kasi nga gagala naman kami next week. Actually, gagala talaga kami dapat last week pa dahil birthday ni Andrew. Parang 2-in-1 celebration. Birthday ko, birthday ni Andrew. Snow tubing sana kami. 4 hours away from here at I think Boone, North Carolina. Pero nireschedule namin 2 beses na. Last week may ice storm, tapos ngayon naman super snow, 'di ba? And hindi safe mag-drive kapag ganyan. Next week pa kami gagala, parang ayun yung birthday celebration. Pero gusto ni Mr. na mag-celebrate pa din kami today kahit papaano. So sabi ko, kain na lang tayo sa labas. So I really love Vietnamese food. Vietnamese food kami mamaya. Yun na lang muna. Kasi nga, again, meron na magse-celebrate naman na kami next week. Okay, magpapak na ako. So, tingin ko nakaligtaan lang ito ni Mr. Kasi usually siya ang nagpapak ng Walmart orders. So, 2 lang itong Walmart order. Isang sunglasses cases at isang coffee mug. Pull out ko na yung mga ipapak natin. Nakabenta tayo ng 5 damit sa Poshmark. Pero nasa eBay na bag. Kapag Poshmark, pwedeng ganito. Kung nagbebenta kayo sa Poshmark, usually may libre talaga na box, yung priority mail. Pero recently, nagpalit sila ng policy. So, hindi na priority mail. Ano na siya? Ground advantage. Ayan. Ground advantage na siya. Hindi siya basta-basta nakukuha sa sa post office. Makukuha mo siya sa parang nire-request online. Kailangan patunayan mo muna na Poshmark seller ka. And then ito, nakabenta ko ng 3 pantalon sa Poshmark din to. 3 pantalon ng aking asawa. 5'4" na brand. Lumang pantalon ng aking asawa, pinagbebenta ko. Dati pa to na nakalist. Ngayon lang nabenta. Ayan. Okay, last one na Poshmark. Ito. Ano to? Galing to sa Sam's Club liquidation. Eddie Bauer. Oops. And then, ano naman to? Mercari. Nakabenta tayo ng isang Wicked na sweater set para sa bata. Alright, 2 Olay Regenerists. Alright, so isa na lang, Mercari pa din ito. Isang Mercari pa din ito. Cover para sa couch or sofa. Ayan, malaki siya. Nabenta ko siya sa Mercari, kakalist lang yan. Actually, lumang inventory yan, more than a year na. So, ang ginagawa ko kasi recently, nitong mga mula ng January, February na ngayon. So, mula pa January, ang ginagawa ko po ay nagre-release ako ng mga lumang inventory. Katulong yung aking VA. So, yung mga lumang inventory, yung mga more than 1-year-old na, tinatry namin na i-release or parang bagong picture, mga ganun. Basta para mabuhay ulit yung listing. Hindi siya totally maluma lang. Actually, we try to do that every year. Pero last year, madami akong hindi nagawa na ganun. I'm trying to do that constantly. Pero mahirap minsan, sobrang dami ng inventory. We have about 2,500 na listings. Diba? Paano? Minsan naliligaw din ako eh. Okay, mabilis na lang ito. 15 eBay orders. Alright. So, first up, itong wine bag. 4 na piraso. Okay, so tinatry ko na gumamit ng puro recycled na box today. Aray ko, my back. Oh, shucks. Bluey na slippers. Ang cute. Magamit ko kaya ito. Walmart. Reusing the Walmart bag. Next, itong light bulbs. 3 piraso na red na light bulbs. Next, shoes. Isang Sonoma na boots. Ayan. Tapos naibag ko na sila lahat, friends. Ayan. 2 malaking bag. Ito, hindi na nagkasya. So, tapos na.
Mostly melted now.
Yeah. It's snowy on my birthday. May magde-deliver muna kami ng mga packages, yung mga pinak namin kanina. And then dediretso na kami sa Vietnamese restaurant, magla-lunch. I'm 35 years old today. Is that old?
You get pregnant, it's a geriatric pregnancy. Yeah.
Pag nabuntis ako, geriatric na. Parang ano na siya. High risk na daw ako kapag ka nabuntis ako ulit. Kaya niloloko ako ng asawa ko. Pero 35, I think it's still young.
Yeah.
For most people. I'm trying to think about what I don't know, something that's very different now about me compared to like 5 years. Let's say 5 years or 10 years, yeah. I feel like maybe, I don't know though if it's the age or it's the situation in life, but I feel like I avoid people now. You know what I mean? It's like I'd prefer to stay home. If we're not gonna go travel, I don't want to go out. I don't have to socialize so much, and I don't want to make friends. That's why I'm happy about having business at home. Dito na kami sa USPS. Very friendly naman ako nung as a person dati. Talagang marami akong barkada, marami akong friends, marami akong group of friends. Ako yung tipo na girls girl, kumbaga kahit sa ang grupo ako ilagay. Marami akong kaibigan, kumbaga. Hanggang ngayon naman, kaibigan ko pa rin sila. I was Miss Congeniality, literal. Sumali akong pageant nung college. Miss Congeniality ako. So, that's my point. I'm very friendly na tao or very sociable. Pero in the last 5 to 10 years, parang nagde-decline siya. Parang mas prefer ko na hindi sa walang kaibigan, pero I think I have enough friends. So yung mga dati ko pang friends, I keep them. I still, I stay in touch with them. But I guess yung aking social battery is very limited na. All my energy is for my family and my kids. Parang ganun yung nangyari. So I don't know if it's me na because of my age, I try to not socialize or I don't really enjoy socializing as much, or it's because of the situation. Sabi ko nga, baka it's the situation na I have kids na and I'm always busy with the kids and the business, so I prefer that. Kaya parang wala na ako masyadong energy sa pagkakaroon ng sa ibang tao, kumbaga. I don't know, let me know kung ano doon. I mean, I still, don't get me wrong, I still want to be around my friends. Pero parang yung konti lang, ayoko na ng big groups, ayoko na ng maraming tao. Gusto ko yung kapag may mag-spend ako ng time with my friends, I want it to be more meaningful. Yung mag-usap kami about our life, about, things happening in our life update, kumbaga. Hindi na kagaya dati na parang tambay-tambay lang.
My favorite season is winter because Dad has Christmas and it can snow.
Yeah, I know that. And you know what? Andrew's favorite?
What? What's his favorite season?
Summer.
Why? We go slow.
I remember he said something about that.
Andrew, what's your favorite season? Bright sun. Huh? Bright sun.
Bright sun, see? Summer.
Oh. Bright sun.
Sunny day. Like sunny day.
So I like to get warm with sun. Because I like to be warm.
You like to be warm.
But then you get too hot. No. In summer.
But you know what's funny, Lucas?
What?
You are born in summer. And Andrew is born in winter.
So you like the opposite.
Yeah, and
season
then you
you're
like
born.
the opposite. So my babies, Lucas is born in summer, and then Andrew is winter, Maya is fall. So if we're gonna have our fourth baby, hopefully it's gonna be on spring. So we have 4 seasons.
I know I'm gonna get
What are we
anything
gonna
different.
order? What are you gonna order? Pho. How about Daddy?
Probably the same thing.
We're all gonna get pho, Andrew? Pho? Yeah. Maya. 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 Mayo. Hi, Maya. Hi, everybody. Say hi. What do you want? Look at that. This is... Huh?
Lucas.
Oh, Lucas. Sorry.
Lucas. Hey, be careful.
Okay.
Be careful, okay?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Look at Lucas pa. It's like so empty. Here, I'm gonna have to give you. This is for you, Andrew. This is for Maya. Okay, look. This is mommy's. Yep. Oh, and Andrew can have
Or he wants the spring rolls.
spring
Hot.
rolls.
Okay, be careful.
Dad is gonna have fun. Maya, here. Maya?
I want to have video.
Yeah? Nakabalik na kami, friends. Mukha pa rin akong bruha. Nakabalik na kami. Dumaan kami saglit sa Ross. Bumili kami ng sapatos ni Lucas. Kasi lumalaki na talaga siya. Kailangan na-realize namin kanina. Kahapon, nung nag-snow, kailangan niya ng closed na shoes. Kasi lagi niya suot yung Crocs niya. So, kahapon lang namin na-realize na wala na siyang shoes na kasya sa kanya. So, ayan, bumili kami ng bago. And then, bumili kami ng bagong panlamig ni Maya. Kasi wala siyang panlamig na ganito. Yung talagang makapal. Yung pang-todong winter. So, ayan, nakabili na kami. Ito na yung pinakamanipis. Naghanap ako ng medyo manipis. Yung parang pagsuot niya, hindi masyadong mabigat. Nung lumabas kami, suot niya yung makapal na jacket. Ay, hindi siya nag-enjoy. Ayaw niyang ibaba ko siya. Kasi siguro parang nahihirapan ba siya sa damit niya. So, hopefully, ito ay magustuhan niya or maging comfortable siya. May isa pa. Ito, mas lightweight siya. Ito. Ayan. Yan yung aming binili kanina sa Ross. At may nakahiwalay. 3-in-1 kasi pala. 3-in-1 pala kasi yun. Oh, hi girl! This is for you! Look! Malamig eh. Malamig be. Say hi everybody! My name is... Sabihin mo, tingnan mo yung chan mo, oh. Be. Yeah, so tapos na ang aming araw. Ito na yun, ito na yung aking birthday. Pero sabi ko nga nating special kasi magsa-celebrate naman kami talaga next week. So yun na yung celebration namin today is kumain sa labas. And ako naman siguro, ang kaibahan lang sa akin, hindi ako mag-work. Yung work ko kanina ng pagpapakyo na yun, if hindi ko birthday, siguro kahit paano mag-work pa ako, magli-list kahit paano computer work or dun sa aking working room. Pero ang dami kong work nung mga nakaraang araw para talaga akong di magkanda o gaga. So, hi! So, yan. Today ako ay wala. Magaganchilyo na lang ako doing something that I really enjoy, di ba? Kumbaga parang, hi po! Sabihin mo, hi po! Yung clip mo. Kay Maya to, sinuot ko lang kasi tinatanggal niya.
Hi.
Hi po! Ay, tapos na ang aking araw. Ako ay magre-relax na lang muna. Magaganchilyo lang ako and enjoy the rest of the day with the kids and my husband. So, thank you po sa pagsama sa aking araw ulit. Till the next video. Bye!